Them boys back on that bullshit. First time.
Oh, you brought me Chick-fil-A? So sweet.
There goes my Chick-fil-A.
There you go. Down.
A big ol', never mind, I'm not gonna say that. Up earlier than normal. What's going on today, guys? We got something awesome planned today. Something that happened last night, literally just fell into my lap last night, and I'm really excited to share it with you guys later on today. Obviously, we got to get to that point. I don't have the Tahoe. I'm in the truck. Hello. This is a really nice view. I like that. You know, kind of getting the angles. And anyway, sorry, I'm half asleep. I'm gonna stop by Chick-fil-A, and we're gonna get the day going. It's Friday. It's payday. It should be a good day. It should be a good day. We're gonna do some stuff to the Tahoe today. I'll explain more of that. I'll explain more of that here in a little bit. You guys can tell by the title, we're doing some shit to Tahoe today. Got up early, went and got Christina some McDonald's because that's what she wanted. And I'm on the way to Chick-fil-A before I go to work. I need something to get the mind going. I like this truck. I like that. Ooh. 22s. I like that. It's clean and it's simple with the color match up front. Hell yeah. Snap on. Oh, Yeti. Yeti. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, what the? No, stop. No. Ah! Where are we going?
Gut bombers.
The people on YouTube don't know what the hell a gut bomber is.
Oh, they'll learn.
We're going to Crystal. Krispy Kreme. My mom's gonna be jealous. She loves Crystal. I ain't been to Crystal in like 15 years. Look at that, the Cajun chicken one. They got all kinds of, I'm gonna spend way too much money in here, I can already tell you. I really am. You know I had to do I already took a bite. The lemon pepper. Ain't bad. Definitely ain't bad. Ooh. They sell Call of Duty bag. Bag? Ooh. It ain't White Castle, but it'll do. It do. Me either. I don't think I've ever seen one either.
I've had the frozen ones.
I guess we're gonna have to try those.
Hold on, Bean, look at me.
All right, boys, I made the worst decision of my entire life. Please do not squirt that on me, for the love of squirting hand sanitizer everywhere.
It's gonna get you wet, huh?
Look at it dripping on the fucking wall right there. Anyway, I got a
back to the video.
Suck that straw.
Alex, I need a review. Jeep, red wheels. Good, no good.
Yep. I like it. Oh yeah, look at the limo. Like that. So I got a banana pudding milkshake.
Alex, the Aveo with the colored match trims, dog.
Look at this shit. You can't make this shit up.
That might be a Sonic, not an Aveo. Sonic, remember Supersonic Rob?
Chevy Sonic with the color matched wheels.
Look at the wheels.
Hey, it matches the Jeep out front. That's custom.
That's definitely custom.
So anyway, back to the
Before you got interrupted.
Multiple
times. Cut that clip.
No, it's all getting on there.
You just cut the clip, dude.
No, I just stopped recording. So I got a banana pudding milkshake. I'm really gonna regret this in about an hour, but it's really fucking good actually. And they gave me this tiny ass straw to try and slurp this milkshake through.
No, I'm good. I didn't send you my address.
Bastards.
You're a bastard. Bastard.
This is good as shit though.
And
I've never tried shit, nor do I plan to. But I just assume that things are as good as shit.
That's so shitty.
You don't get more American than having a banana pudding milkshake from Crystal riding in a straight pipe Duramax. You don't get more American than that.
The Dixie truck.
He's got a Yeti cooler in the back too, with the snap-on stickers in the back. We are just screaming America right now.
That's a snap-on Yeti cooler. It's not a sticker, dog. It is a snap-on official cooler.
That was expensive.
It was free.
Ooh. Free is my favorite price. So for some of you that don't know this, our beloved popcorn machine
Quit working again.
quit working for a while. We finally got it fixed. We made one pop with the machine, and it broke again. Now I haven't told you guys this because I didn't think there was any light at the end of the tunnel. I didn't want to get your hopes up. I didn't want to get you guys all just, you know, happy-minded of us getting the, we're gonna get to that, Jake, of us getting the popcorn machine fixed, so I didn't talk about it. So we've been patiently waiting. Jake emailed them, said, hey, fix our shit. And guess what? They fixed our shit. They sent us a new kettle, a full new kettle. Look what the UPS man brought us. Come on, just tear it. Come on, get in there. Ooh. You want to be a part of this moment? I see that smile on your face over there. Look at that smile. They did send. That's a brand new kettle. Yes. Yeah.
Destroy it. I think it's the first time.
Remember, she's only a virgin once.
If you don't do it now, somebody else might.
I'm telling you. I'm telling you.
Might be one on there. Kind of feel like the score's gonna be a little bit dated.
Before we jump into the Tahoe content today, my special guest, say hello. Most of y'all know Alan, Team Skynet, the man himself. Called me a minute ago, so I'm just chopping it up with him real quick. I actually made a mistake the other day, and I disconnected. I took this headlight out to try and put the resistors in for the turn signals, and I did not connect the headlight. So right now this headlight doesn't work. So before we can jump into the awesome Tahoe content that we have today, yes, the Tahoe is outside of the garage, so obviously we're doing more than just something on the front end. We're actually doing something really cool. The truck is actually going to become this wide bow tie officially now. Well, officially later on, but we're getting there. We're starting that process today. I just got to fix this real quick, so I'll get back with you guys as soon as I fix my fuck up. So that was the easiest fix I've ever made in my life. I actually was able to just plug it back in without having to take all this shit off. Yes, thank you. So now we can get to the actual good content for the day. So I have something for the Tahoe today.
No, we're not putting those on, are we?
No, I'm just kidding. We can if you want to.
I kind of want to see what it'll look like.
Because technically now we can double up because we have 2-inch spacers for the Tahoe. All the way around. We got 2-inch spacers that we're going to put on the Tahoe today. I'm super excited. Huge shout out to our friends Ryan and Amanda for pretty much, they gave these to us because they don't need them anymore. And I'm super excited because these are going on the Tahoe. The Tahoe is actually going to be this wide bow tie now because it's wider than stock.
Not gonna be.
It's actually going to be this wide bow tie now. Hell yeah.
You just said my Tahoe is bone stock?
No, it's wider than stock.
Oh, I was about to say, what the hell's the matter with you?
Wider than stock. So my face is dirty, and we're ready to fucking get this bread. So I'm
like my toes?
gonna get to it. We're not talking about her toes. We're
and my nails?
installing spacers.
You
That's
like
what we're doing. Bread shit. Bread gang shit.
I just want a bag, like an old lady. I'm backwoods smoking, I don't know.
The only part I was scared about while doing this is I didn't want to have to trim the studs, and if we had to trim the studs, I wanted to do it at work, not at home. And the great news is, and this is something for you guys to remember, if you have 2-inch spacers, you do not have to trim your studs. Those lugs do not sit out past the spacer. Hell yeah. Look right there. Look right there. Look right
Daisy,
there.
look, what's this?
Look. Little poke. Little poke. No, that's a 2-inch spacer.
No poke. Baby poke.
I like it. I fuck with it. Oh. I gotta get the other one done. See, he likes it too.
Here you go.
I gotta get the other one done now.
You gotta do all of them.
I'm telling you, it looks kind of good. There you go. Little poke. Little poke. I definitely think it's an improvement. Obviously, once we get it really lifted, it'll be a lot wider than this. You know, this is, we're just doing a bunch of little stuff. These were free, so I figured I'd throw them on here. I love how that looks though. Just gives it a little more of an aggressive stance. Yes, work it, yes. I can't wait to see it going down the road. You gotta check the back. Yeah, it's gonna look good going down the road. Yeah, look at that right there, yeah. Now, one thing to remember, my driveway is very inclined, so that kind of distorts the way that this looks. And it's kind of leaning a little bit, so one side kind of looks different than the other. So keep that in mind. Once we get it on flat ground, I'll have her pull it out or something like that so we can really get a look at it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. For 2-inch spacers that were free, I think it definitely made a worthy improvement. I am pretty happy with that. I don't know if she can fit in the garage now. Well, it's gonna be close. She's good on that side. Ooh. It's gonna be close. Damn, that's like 2 or 3 inches. 2 or 3 inches. Back in the cave she goes. Damn, you can't even fit in the garage anymore.
I can barely fit.
There's my thumbnail. She can't fit in the garage anymore. Looks good though. I remember my first time not fitting in the garage. Don't be silly, I never fit in the garage. Guys, I don't know what's happening to me, but I really want some tequila right now. What's going on with me? I just really want some tequila right now. Yeah, it's not any worse for me to say that I want tequila and you brought the whole wine glass with you.
What?
Well, yesterday was very eventful. We got some new spacers on the Tahoe. I hope you guys like the way that it looks. I definitely like the way it looks. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think, but today's gonna be a little bit better. Today's video might actually be the best video I've filmed in a long time. We have so much content coming for you guys today. Awesome video today, or awesome video tomorrow, or filming today, posting tomorrow, and a truck meet tonight. So it's gonna be crazy. You guys need to hit the subscribe button. We're on the road to 100 videos straight. We're on day 85, I believe, today. So you guys need to stick with it. Hit that subscribe button, join the bread gang. I'll see you guys next time. As always, let's get this bread.
This is bread, baby! That's what I'm talking about.